Yo, what's good, bro? I'm bringing you on right now.
Yo,
Yo, what's good, my guy?
ain't shit. I want in on this conversation.
What's good, yo? So look, man, I'm about to do a home buyers consultation. You down?
I'm in, but I want to tell your people that's listening or your followers is, people say they don't have money. This is what I'm telling people to do, right?
Okay.
Everybody has a couple of pairs of sneakers that they never wore, right? One or two
True.
pairs, right?
True.
Take those two pair of sneakers that you're not going to wear because you're not going out. Nobody's going out. Sell them on StockX or GOAT. Use that money and then buy one of those stocks you were talking about.
I like that. That's
You
a
know what I'm saying?
gem.
Like, think about it. Just think about it. Yeah, I'm in the gym. So think about it. Take some sneakers that you weren't really thinking about, that nobody really cares about, that you didn't have. That even I'm doing that now. I'm like, damn, I got sneakers that I don't wear because I don't really mess with the stock market. So I'm feeling like if I fuck up, it's okay because the sneakers I really didn't care. So I'm
Agreed.
going through all these sneakers right here, right?
Uh-huh.
All these sneakers right here that is in my storage room, not even in my sneaker closet, right? And what I'm doing is going through them, and I'm just selling a couple pair, maybe like 5, 6 pairs. See, this is the sneaker closet, right? But
Okay.
I'm going through them. I'm taking like 5, 6 pair, and I'm just selling. And then what I'm doing is I'm gonna get into. I never really got in the stock market, so I'm just gonna buy a stock, whether it's Disney, Boeing, Delta,
You saw that Bowen, right? Bowen went up crazy yesterday.
Boeing went up crazy, and I'm gonna buy some stock because I don't really fuck with the stock. And I'm gonna take that money and see what happens. And if I lose, think about it. It was just 4 pair of sneakers.
Agreed.
Money that
Agreed.
was in the closet that I was gonna wear to the club this weekend that there is no club.
Facts.
See
That's
what I'm saying?
smart. That's smart.
That's
That's a gem right there. I never thought about that.
so that's what I'm encouraging people to do. But I want to get on that live because that's what I want people to do. I want people to really think outside the box. Like we home, you got 2 pairs of sneakers that you don't. Let's say them sneakers are $100, $200, say $400. Take that money, take that 400. Delta stock was $20. Buy, 10 shares of Delta, 10 shares of
Absolutely.
something else.
Zoom right now is big right now. You got to buy some Zoom stock.
Zoom.
Bowen is good. Like you said, Delta is good, but I think I bought at $23, but it went down a little bit, so I'm gonna wait before I buy more. But you know they're gonna get bailed out. So these are
Right.
things like there's opportunities right now for everyone, no matter how much money you have. There's opportunity right now, and you got to use this time wisely.
Yeah, you got to think. Like I seen somebody just leave a comment. Don't buy Disney. Do your homework. Well, I look at it like this. Disney is one of those companies that'll never change. Meaning, nobody's ever gonna buy Disney and change the name to Disney. No, it's not gonna
Correct.
happen. Disney is closed now. The stock was 145 2 weeks ago. Now the stock is in the 80s. It's gonna keep going down. But when
Hmm.
this is over, Disney is opening back up.
It's gonna skyrocket.
It's gonna skyrocket. It's gonna open like
Yeah.
Disney has been around for years. It's going to open back up. It's the heart and soul of Orlando. It's gonna open back up. So when it opens back up, you buy them stocks that you got for $60, $70, depending on how low it gets, and it goes back up to 140. You doubled your money, or even Delta.
Yeah.
Think about
Hmm.
it. And let's say you got $1 million, right? I know a lot of people don't, but let's say you got $1 million liquid and you buy stock in Delta. Let's just say Delta goes up to not even to where it was, from $20 to $40. You just turn that million to 2 million.
Hell
Same
yeah.
thing. That's how the rich get rich. It's we just don't have the millions of dollars to put in. We got $1,000, and that 1,000 turns to 2,000. But shit, I'm definitely I'm like, because I don't fool with the stock market. I just never did. I seen too many people lose money, but I'm like, if I could take money that I don't really think about was in my pocket, like some stupid sneaker money or some stupid
Hmm.
clothes I got, I'm gonna use that money where I feel like even if I lose it, it was in my closet anyway.
So let me ask you this. So besides stocks, what other businesses are you looking into right now that where you see there could be opportunity for people to make money in?
Definitely still real estate. Real estate is dropping, especially with the market going down. I think when this is over, I think that's going to be a great business to continue to look at. Also, you sent me something about trucking, which I didn't even think
Yeah,
about. Like you think about everything is shut down, but the trucking business. People still got to get their product from A to B. You know,
absolutely.
Walgreens still needs their truckloads. Uh, Target needs their truckloads. All these people still
And you
need their
and you
truckloads of medicine.
and think about it. You see, Target, they said they're gonna hire thousands of people, right?
Yep.
Now that means more cargo, more stock. That means more trucks.
Right.
You know what I'm saying? So I'm definitely going to connect you with my guy Alex, because I think this is definitely one of the moves that we as a people is low entry. You know,
Right.
you don't even need a truck to start making money. You could just do dispatch services.
Now
So
somebody
these are
just said,
things where we.
somebody, I like to leave comments. Somebody said they're suspended. No, they're not suspended. I just seen a truckload of people deliver groceries to Walgreens and groceries to CVS and groceries to Stop and Shop. So they are
Hell
not,
yeah! I'm at the grocery
trucking
market
business is
right.
still going.
I'm at the grocery market right now. There's a truck delivering shit right now as we speak. So like, trucks keep moving. Trucks
Absolutely.
keep America going.
Absolutely. I think I'm gonna
Yeah.
look at those, and also you're gonna laugh at me, but I thought about it when this thing came, when everything started happening. I was like, shit, farms are one of the businesses that are doing well.
Hell yeah! People need food.
People need food. Now, mind you, I ain't got a garden. I don't know how to garden to the first. I'm from Queens. We had this much grass, but I'm gonna start looking at farming business, because where I live in Jersey, if you drive in the mountains, you start seeing farms. You start seeing cows and chickens and people growing stuff and selling off their own farms. And I'm like, damn, if I could invest into a farm business where you can you have your own chicken, your own produce, your own vegetables, and at least learn. Because I was thinking to myself, shit, if shit hit the fan, nigga, I don't even know how to plant a tomato.
That's a fact. I have no clue how to plant anything. But
No.
I think, look, ideas, I think this quarantine is good, because now you're forced to sit still, and
Right.
you're forced to really start analyzing and thinking, because you can't, how you were pre coronavirus, you can't be at post coronavirus. You really
Correct.
got to switch your entire game up. You got to go 10 times harder. You can't really sit on the sidelines right now. And that's why I'm trying to encourage people is like, listen, use this time wisely and come out of this stronger than you ever were, because
Yeah.
only the strong is going to survive this shit.
Yeah, and that's what I've been telling people. You diversify your portfolio in a way, but you don't think about it. Like, I do so many different things, whether it's the Breakfast Club, it's the podcast, it's real estate, it's the car shows, it's this, that. But if you think about it, if a pandemic hits, everything gets shut down. Like,
Everything.
everybody's stuck in the house. Of course, I got the Breakfast Club. I broadcast from here. But other than that, all that other things that bring in all those incomes is shut down. Like, even my tenants. Like, if my tenants say I can't pay, they can't pay. You know what I mean? I still
Yeah.
gotta pay, but we gotta start thinking of things that's outside of things that when the world shuts, you still get money. Like, like I wish I had trucks, because you still be eating. I wish I had farms, I
Absolutely.
still be eating. You know what I mean? So those are the things I'm gonna look at. But those stocks, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna start looking at them stocks heavy. But like I said, I'm not using my money. Well, it is my money, but I'm gonna use some of the sneakers. I got too many pairs of sneakers as it is. I'm gonna let a 4 or 5 pair of sneakers go, and I'm gonna use that money, just put it in stocks blindly and see what happens.
Yeah, that's a gem, man. So everybody who just checking in right now, if you have anything that you can sell, sneakers, anything you can put on eBay or whatever these sites are, sell it and use that money to buy stocks, because that's a gem. We all got shit laying around that we don't use. Get rid of that shit and invest that money.
Yeah, and even my son and the reason I even thought about it is my son has baseball cards and comics and sneakers, and he flips them. And every once in a while, I look at my PayPal account, and I see a couple $100, $500. I'm like, where you get this money from? He's like, nah, Dad, I had these old ass cards. I just sold them. I'm like, shit, that's money you wasn't even thinking about. I'm gonna use that money and buy some stocks, and that's what we got
So
to do.
I love it, man. Well, I definitely appreciate you jumping in, man, chiming in on this conversation, man. We appreciate
Yeah,
the
and I'm
gems,
getting
man.
I got to get my